All right, hello everyone, and welcome back to a daily update on my 1000 days challenge. This is day 172. So let's get things started. All right, so you'll notice in terms of the changes, that's only in terms of the experimental trade setup. It has actually increased significantly, and that's actually due to trade that was taken in the long side trade for both Ethereum Link, and yeah, both of which was triggered in the long side trade, so it went well in my favor in that sense. But bearing in mind the experimental trade overall is still negatively, and I've been running these for 5 over months, so things are not looking that great. Even though I've been tweaking things here and there, things have gotten a little bit better, and hopefully I can break even and then move towards the positive side. But otherwise, it may really not have the edge over an extended period of time. So that's something I'm very concerned and have in mind to either stop it or pause it and take a little look along the way as well. So yeah, otherwise, yeah, in terms of the main trading accounts, that everything is still as per expected. After the new high, now it's a small little drawdown period. And in terms of the quick market update comparing from yesterday to today, we are still in somewhat like a bearish market structure, technically speaking, on the S&P 500 and also the Nasdaq. You can see with both a lower high and lower low. So yeah, just do a very quick run through on the daily chart. Yep, so you see over here a lower high and a lower low being formed. However, bearing in mind that even though it's technically a bearish market structure, price is still potentially being supported at this 20 exponential moving average. So until you breach there cleanly and maintain below there, then yeah. So for example, this one did break cleanly, but the next day actually opens higher. So if you were to looking to close, you should want the price to open lower than the low of this in order for a confirmation in that trend. All right, otherwise KWEB and ASHR remains, if I'm not wrong, it's the same. So yeah, ASHR remains bullish, tentatively speaking, although it could transit to somewhat like a neutral market structure. So over here, especially if you see over here, is somewhat like an expanding kind of wedge or pattern per se. All right, and finally for Bitcoin wise, on the daily chart, it's definitely still neutral. So over here, like I say, it could still be consolidating for a while. The E wave, if you were to, I mean the D wave that is currently potentially right now, especially below in terms of the forward chart, looks a little bit weak. So potentially we, instead of having like a 3-wave structure, I'm not exactly sure what this is forming, but even if we do retrace a little bit, we could still go up towards the upside as long as this 50 simple moving average and 20 exponential moving average is being supportive. So previously, you see we rejected once, rejected twice, we break above, so we could retest here for support before reaching this D wave on the upside. However, if it does break below, what it could tentatively form is that this could be a B, and a huge C wave. But this means that he has to break here really strongly, which is the 34.5K region. If it breaks strongly, we could retest here for like a 1, 2, 3, but it looks a little bit odd to be a C wave per se. I'm still leaning towards a good possibility that it could be a D wave, or in terms of a triangle consolidation, that's still more likely in my opinion wise. Volume is still dwindling, which is a good sign of consolidation as well. So towards the end of it, it does retraces here very nicely, form some sort like a downwards finding support, then I'll enter with a long side trade towards the break towards the upside, and then I will see potentially we could make even higher high for Bitcoin itself. So yeah, that's more or less about it in terms of Bitcoin wise. For Ethereum, yes, actually I think made the new all-time high earlier, like maybe just an hour ago. So yeah, things are looking great in terms of Ethereum, but Bitcoin definitely have to hold its ground. Otherwise, Ethereum may be in fact be correlated in the other sense as well. So yeah, let's see how things goes, and I'll keep you guys updated. So yep, thanks everyone, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care. Bye bye. So yeah, just to quick summarize, I'm just again waiting for a clear potential breakout of the triangle consolidation pattern on the D chart. And potentially I'll use the stop loss on the 4-hour to give a tighter stop loss to give a better risk to reward setup based on price action wise. So yep, that's it. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care. Bye-bye.